Hey guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Behind me is a 2020 Toyota HiLux High Output, and it's in at our workshop today for a custom dyno tune and on-car chemical soot clean. Before I go on, make sure you subscribe to the Ultimate Diesel Tuning YouTube channel and click the bell for notifications. So this HiLux is one of the first high outputs that did come out in 2020. I'd also like to make mention, this one is also a manual. Very seldom do we see the actual high outputs coming out in manual. 90% of them we do see are automatics. It's already had an upgraded NPC clutch fitted to it before it came to us. So given that it's done a few kilometers, this one's actually done 90,000 Ks, we have done the on-car chemical soot clean to ensure the intake and upper valve train's all nice and clean before we went ahead and custom dyno tuned it. The other modifications have been done to the engine of the HiLux. It's also got an upgraded HBD front mount intercooler and piping kit, as well as also a HBD billet alloy catch can. And with the exhaust system, it does have a DPF back 3-inch stainless steel exhaust system. The owner of the HiLux uses it as a daily driver. He's done those great supporting modifications, which I've already spoken about. So with the custom dyno tune, they really responded well to it. And that's the good thing about this vehicle. The response and how the vehicle drives in the torque area is amazing after you've done a custom dyno tune. Let's take a look at the results of the HiLux. When it first came in, it had 109 kilowatts of power and 300 newton meters of torque at the rear wheels. After we completed the custom dyno tune, the maximum power went to 123 kilowatts of power and 425 newton meters of torque. A lot of times when people look at dyno graphs, they get caught up purely at the final numbers. You've got to remember those final numbers when its power is high at the end of the rev range, over 3,500 RPM, and the torque is looking low in the rev range. The area where you spend most of your time driving is from 1,800 to say 2,400. And this is where this car's made such big improvements. And that's what actually changes the drivability of the car and how it performs on the road every day. At around 2,300 RPM, there is over 40% gain in torque. But if we compare the power results at the same RPM, it's actually a 50% gain from standard. Well guys, that's another N80 HiLux custom dyno tune by us at Ultimate Diesel Tuning. As you can see, the improvements in power and torque is certainly impressive, as we spoke about through the mid-range. So if you own an N80 HiLux or a common rail diesel and you're looking to improve the performance and all-round drivability, give us a call, speak to our diesel experts, or drop into one of our performance centres in Brisbane, Gold Coast and Melbourne. Also remember, we do have a dealer network all around Australia, and make sure you subscribe to Ultimate Diesel Tuning on YouTube.